Hello guys, welcome to Chiomas kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare salad and fried fish. How to prepare salad and fried fish. We are using tilapia fish today. Understand, this is well washed. When you're buying it, you tell them to help you to wash it. They've well washed it, everything is neat. Okay, this is our lechuga, our egg, boiled egg, carrot, cucumber, salt, and our vegetable oil. Okay, we will first of all start. The baba for today is the fish and the lechuga. Okay, so we'll first of all start by sprinkling salt to our fish. Little salt is optional if you want. If you don't want to put salt, is optional. Okay, then we heat our oil. We'll go and heat our oil into the pot, the frying pan. Okay, that is it. Your oil must be hot. Your oil must be hot. If you're frying fish, you fry with hot oil. Okay, you make sure you don't crowd your frying pan. Okay, you see it's only 3 I put here. The oil must be hot if you're frying fish. Okay, that is it. So after frying the fish, we prepare our salad. Okay, as our oil is frying, our fish is frying, we slice our lechuga. See how I'm doing it. I've washed it with vinegar. You can wash with salt if you don't have vinegar. Okay, you have 2 ways to do it. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. This is our dinner. We are doing this for dinner. Okay, I like chopping my lechuga very well. As I'm doing this, I'm checking my fish. The fish is going to be fried for 6 minutes. 3 minutes you flip, 3 minutes you bring it out, making it 6 minutes. Okay, my cucumber, going to cut it into cubes, into triangle shapes. You see what I'm doing. You see it, the 3 minutes time we flip. You see, that is why I say your oil must be hot. If your oil is hot, your fish will not scatter. Okay, that is it. That is the way I grate do my carrot. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, watch my video, subscribe to my channel. Bam 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 bam. Fry salad and fried fish in Chiomas kitchen. Salad, fried fish in Chiomas kitchen. Like my video, share my video, watch my video, subscribe to my channel. Bam 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 bam. You see, this salad and fried fish, you can use it for dinner, you can use it for lunch, but I choose to use mine for dinner with my family. Okay, that is what I'm doing now. Okay, I will show you guys how I will dress everything. Okay, that is it. We bring out our fish. You can see the fish scatter. No, because I'm using hot oil. Okay, you see it. This fish will make a lot of sense with the salad. Okay, that is it. I put the next bag into it. Wow, you can see now we are ready now. We've prepared all our salad ingredients. Now we start from the lechuga. We put our lechuga first. When we put our lechuga, we put our cucumber. When we put our cucumber, we put our diced apple. I'm using the green apple. Apple is optional, okay? Why I want to use apple is for my own good. You see, I put the egg, I put the carrot, okay, into it. I put this, the lechuga, again. I put the cucumber. I put the carrot. I put the olive seed and the apple. You see what I'm doing? Olive seed and the apple. I'm using the green olive seed. Okay? My children like this food a lot. I put my lechuga again. You see what I'm doing? I put my cucumber to it. I put the carrots. You see? I put my egg. I put my olive and my diced apple to it. I put again the final stage. You see? You see it? I put all my things, my apple, my this into it. I put my egg. You see it? How colorful it is. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Bam, 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 bam. We set this aside and wait for our fish to be ready. Wow, 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 wow. Fried fish and salad. This make a lot of sense. Okay, guys, you can see it. Chiomas kitchen is giving you guys good food for dinner. This is what I eat as dinner. Okay, that is it. You can eat it as lunch, you can take it with your bread as breakfast too. Understand? It's good. So Chioma's kitchen is showing you guys what she eats as dinner. I would like you guys to give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, watch, share. As you share, as you comment, as you like, God bless you. Okay guys, I love you guys. Bye bye.